It's so difficult to comprehend, but there are places in the world where torture and murder of innocent people is not only real, it's commonplace. Imagine living in a place like that, where you have nowhere to turn, where either the government or some other person or group that the government is unwilling or unable to control can commit atrocities like these with impunity. I know this is real because I've worked with women and children who've lived through unspeakable horrors such as these. I'm an attorney. My name is Marium Kahn. My main practice area is not immigration law. I have a pro bono practice on the side where I volunteer to do work to represent asylum seekers. I work with clients who've been referred by organizations such as the National Immigrant Justice Center and the Heartland Alliance as individuals who are in dire need of legal assistance, and their stories are heartbreaking. My work has been focused on women and children who are fleeing gang violence in Central America. They've faced circumstances including torture, brutal torture, rape, kidnapping, human trafficking, and serious death threats. These are folks who have searched desperately for safety, moving from one place to another, going to the authorities, doing everything they can to escape danger, but they had no place to go. So they've decided to make the dangerous journey to safety, and that journey is dangerous. I've had clients who've been kidnapped and extorted on their way here. There are criminal outfits south of the border that look for people who are fleeing Central American gang violence, and they recognize them by their appearance and their belongings, and they kidnap them and extort them for what little money they have. So it's especially a travesty that victims like this are being re-victimized at our southern border. In this country, all people, regardless of citizenship, are entitled to due process. Instead, today on our southern border, migrants are being subjected to human rights abuses. They're subjected to policies that were designed to inflict cruelty, and they discourage those seeking asylum. It's incredibly alarming because people are being targeted who, through the persecution they're fleeing, already bear physical and psychological scars. Seeking asylum is not illegal. What's happening on our southern border is.